the budget, can we assume that the entitlement reform ideas that are in the offer that you always say is still on the table will be in his budget, superlative CPI and the means testing of Medicare?
Mara, the way you phrase that question, makes me think that you're still working on a typewriter or something. It's available online. The proposal is there. It's not just that I say they're on the table. They're on the table. All right?
But they'll be in the budget.
Yeah. Well, again, I'm not going to predict the budget, but that is the offer, okay?
Right, but I'm asking, will that be in
Again,
the
you're
budget?
asking me to tell you what's in the budget. I would wait for the budget to come out, but it is the President's position. It is the President's offer. If John Boehner, Speaker of the House, wanted to take that offer today, the President would take him up on it.